Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Special Features. Then scroll all the way down again, click on Simple Mode, and click on Enter Simple Mode in order to activate it. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, go into Settings again, but this time click on Exit Simple Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!